This video shows how to buy shares of Amphenol Corporation and explains the basic steps. Amphenol is a manufacturer of electronic connectors and interconnect systems listed on NASDAQ under the ticker APH, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registration, you will need to verify the account, usually with an identity document, and deposit funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker APH to find Amphenol Corporation. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name. On the asset page, review the basic company description and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Double-check the NASDAQ ticker APH and the firm profile before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order is executed or queued. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.